Hello everybody, this is Abhinavika here and today we're going to be doing something exciting. Me and Anu are ready to do a tie and dye t-shirt for ourselves, and this is what is going in this month's Lifefulness Box, and we're going to show you how to do it, and we're going to be trying this together. So what we need, let's just put on these gloves on. So these colors stick onto your hands for a long time. So in the kit as well, in the DIY kit, you will have gloves to wear. So you will start with this. And we have, we like green and blue. So we've got two of those colors to work with today for our t-shirt, and this is what is also coming in the kit as well. So we have a very nice blue color and our green mine's green. Okay, so I have cups in which I'm going to mix these colors. So I have these powders, which is what we are going to be mixing. Blue, so fabric colors, so blue and green. So I'm going to just put a little of this blue color in here. Okay, so in the kit we have the exact proportion for one t-shirt. So you just put in the whole pack into one cup and put the green, which we have sent to you, in another cup. I'm just going to mix it with water and just look at that beautiful color. Okay, I'm just going to show you how this is looking. This is my blue, and here so I just love this blue because it gives, when this indigo color is really cool, and I'm excited how this t-shirt is going to turn out to be. So this fabric color, just mix it nicely so that there are no lumps. Make sure if you want it really dark, put less water. If you want it to be slightly lighter, you can add more water. Yeah. Okay. And then now we'll move on to seeing how to do the t-shirt. So we have our colors ready. I also have this brush. So usually there are squeeze bottles that we can use, but you know, brush is also an option. So we're just going to try with this. I've also tried it with this pouring through the spoon. That is also possible. All we have to ensure is the color is going on the t-shirt. So we have this plastic sheet which I have put below. You can use a paper, you use something, because you don't want this color to stick down on your floor. So use anything like that. And in the kit there are these rubber bands which has been given. So this we will be using to tie this together. And we are going to be doing two types. One is where I am going to be, just using my hand, pinching it and making a swirl in this t-shirt. So Anu is going to try it with this fork. You can use a ladle, a stick, or anything if you want to just make a swirl around that. So we're going to be trying both of these today. Okay, so place your t-shirt nicely. Okay, spread it out like this. Okay, and I'm going to just go in the middle because I want the swivel to start here. So I'm going to slowly start pinching this. And then I'm just going to keep correcting. I'm going to continue to pinch, but I'm going to make sure that the t-shirt is nicely forming this crease. So now the body of the t-shirt is done, and I'm just gonna place this bottom. You see these nice crease out here. Okay, and then also fold my hands in such a way that it has this crease. Nicely rotate it and bring it into a bundle like this. Okay, I'm gonna go with first placing so that it holds this together, and then I correct this. Yeah. My fold is done, my crease is done, and I can just go back and fix whatever has come out. Put them back inside and correct this. Yeah. Ready. Okay, so this is the one which we did before. This is the trial that we did. If you see, there's a nice spiral which has come out here, right? So we're kind of gonna try something very similar only in this t-shirt. So what I'm gonna be doing is coloring like this. So when I put this crisscross, I have a small space here. So I'm gonna be doing this and this same color, and then this and this same color, and then I'm gonna be going and blending in more. Okay. So I'm going to start with the blue and she's starting with the green. So we'll just make sure it's nicely covering. So when I'm going to be adding these, okay, so make sure the color really goes inside. Usually in a squeeze bottle it's very easy, so if you have a squeeze bottle at home or you can get hold of a squeeze bottle, try that. Otherwise you can just go ahead, and then you see the color is just being absorbed nicely by this t-shirt. So I have a full cotton t-shirt that I'm working on. See how the color is moving inside, and once you do it on one side, move down, rotate it and go at the bottom and fill in the color at the bottom as well, like this. So if you see, the blue from this side I've gone behind and I have also put it here. So then I'm going to go on this side. Okay. And I'm going to make sure I press this so that the color goes in and does not drip much. Show you how this works with a brush. Just gonna keep this is slightly time consuming, but then if you have a brush and if you don't want to mess around, you can use this as well. So I'm done with my blue. I've put on 4 sides. Now I'm moving to my green. So I'm just gonna, I like to have a little bit of white in between. So wherever I can just leave some inside like this, I just want to leave it, and I want to see how this is gonna come. And blue and green blend together in the corner. So I think this will also look nice. So the amount of color that's getting soaked in, and that's how the swirls and all is going to come in. So just make sure your spoon is closer so that the color is just not getting wasted and it's moving into the material like this one. Just like this. You can see it. Slightly wherever you can. Just open a little bit. Make sure it goes in there. And then behind again, just very closely. Both of us are done. Yeah, it's a lot. Or we've just gone like this and put our colors, and I want to see how this has come out. So you left a lot of white. You wanted.
Yeah, I wanted to see that multicolor,
more white,
and how it is.
Okay, nice. So how was this experience of doing it so far?
I've always wanted to do a lot of DIY with you, and I think this is like a perfect opportunity to begin this, especially during the lockdown. This is like a relief, a freedom for me to do something. I've come out of my house and I'm here and I am able to do something hands-on, something different, and this feels free and fun, and yes, this is really great. It's a great chance to do something, and I hope that you enjoyed just as much as I have enjoyed. Thanks.
Great. And that's why we're sitting far ahead. So you must have been noticing that as well. She's sitting there and I'm here. While we've done this during a lockdown, just as they've opened, we've been able to do it right now thanks to the little relaxation that we got. But this kit that's come to you in the box is going to be really exciting because all of this we've bought a lot of tie-and-dye dupattas and we've used it so much. So we've had t-shirts, we've had scarves, we've had all of it, but we've always been very curious on how this is done. So now that we have this, it's like great to. I think we'll wear it together, and we will be able to go somewhere. Okay, doing that. So what we are going to do next is we are going to leave these in. We are going to let this rest for about 6 to 8 hours. Okay, so that the color nicely soaks in into this white T-shirt. And then what we are the next step after this is we'll wash this in a solution which is the fabric dye fixer. So we have, in the kit we have an exact quantity to be done for the T-shirt. So just pour that into a tub of water which can just soak this right here. So we'll remove these rubber bands and later soak it in that after it rests for about an hour or two in the fabric fixer, and then wash it off with cold water, and then we'll see how the t-shirt is turning out to be. Here's our final output, our t-shirts. This is what I did, and this is what Anu's t-shirt looks like right now. So we wanted more of white and less of color, but you can just add as much as you